Well, here we are on election night, 2024, November 5, and I have the extra final in here now. The 7854 number 2 is now inside here. I've soldered up the plates, 2 dual plates in this thing. I just tacked on some solder just because, well, I did. It works. Doesn't make it very flexible in case this thing gets bought and sold, but whatever. Okay, underneath it all, the tube is simply wired in parallel. Let's take a look underneath. It's not much different than it was, just an additional socket. So here's the underneath of it. And what I did was I tried to make this thing rigid. So for grounding the heater, I put a piece of solid wire in here. I put the grid all through here with one piece of wire to kind of hold that socket. There's no screws holding these sockets in. They're all just kind of by wires. So I tried to put in some stiff wires to hold them down. I should put a stiff wire in here for the heater to hold that socket down, but they're in here. Yeah, they're in here pretty well, I suppose. It probably even survived a UPS shipment. This little board here was mounted over here on the old transmitter strip, and I just simply bent the foundation of it backwards, bent it backwards and soldered it on, so it's on pretty well now. So this is all ready to go. Here's your cathode coming in here, cathode going through here. Here's your bias coming in, minus whatever. Oh yeah, I gotta futz with the bias before I get too serious with this thing. Damn it, I didn't do that. Oh well. Hopefully it's close. What else? I added these RF bypass capacitors, which I didn't have in before. These are 1 ohm resistors. These equal 0.5 ohms in parallel. So I took the one off I had here, put it here. So now we have 0.5 ohms with 2 1 ohmers in parallel. That's about it. The screen is coming in through the screen resistors here, 100 ohm screens. I haven't changed those from the 8950 tubes. So one screen's coming in through there, the other is coming in through here, and this just goes off to the meter to measure the cathode current. That's about it. Cathode current to cathode meter, ground resistor, and RF bypass capacitor to ground. We have grid coming in, RF coming in through here, grid, bias coming in, grid. I think it's ready. Heater, ground, 12 volt heater. What else is there? There's nothing else. We got the plates connected, screens connected, grids connected, heaters connected. Grid number 1's connected. The screens are connected. I think we're ready for a test. So let's see what happens. I wired a power plug up for the power supply today, and if that works out, where's that power plug? I think it took me longer to make this stupid power plug than it did to put those finals in, or that one final in tonight. This thing took me like hours to drill a hole. And then I had this down too far, so I had to kind of bend some pins here to kind of make it fit and not short anything out. So I think this plug is okay. I haven't tested it. I lost this little thing here. It fell down to the rug from hell and I can't find it. So this is the rug from hell. Anything that falls in this rug is gone forever. I mean, it's gone. Shag carpets should be gone with the 70s. All right, so I'm gonna try this thing. Wish me luck. Have a nice day.